Hi students and dear viewers, I am here today to explain Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2016 May-June paper 2-2 database part. In this part of the question paper they said you are now going to prepare some report for the company. Make sure all currency values display euro sign and are to 0 decimal places. So using a suitable database package, import the file j226 yart.csv. So first of all, we need to open a suitable database package. So I have here access and we'll create a database. We'll name it, for example, P22 2016 May June, and then I'm going to click on browse to just save it into the folder where my remaining files are, and then just click on create. So the database is created here. Close this one. First step, to import the file j226 yard.csv. So CSV is a file format which is a text file. So we'll click here external data, text file, click on browse, desktop, to our folder j226 yards. First step, to click on next here. Second step, to click on first row contains field name, next, and now you click on advanced here to check the file types, data type, sorry, for each field. So here for yard we have text name, so text, this is double length, then text again, then in number, and number. So it's okay, and then just click on OK. Next, then choose your primary key. So your primary key is here yard ID. So when I click here, automatically it chooses the yard ID. So finish. So the file is imported here. Now right click and design view. What you need to do is price that we have, or number, should be 1 decimal place here. So that is length should be 1 decimal place, and then after this one is currency price with format of euro with 0 decimal places at the mention. So click on save and view. So this is how it will look like, and next step is to take screenshot evidence showing the field names and paste it into your evidence document. So design view, print screen, and then go to your evidence document, and this is your evidence number 6, and then just crop the picture as well. Make sure the table name is not cropped, just like that. And next step is to move forward, create a data entry form, include all the field from yard table. So we'll close this one, click on yard table, create form by wizard, select all the fields, next and next, and then I'm just going to say here yards, and then just click on finish. So when you click on finish, so it is here, you can see now. And next step is that to use the form created in step 26 to enter the following record. So we need to enter this record now. So click on view, and here new, start entering the data, that is M0126, then intellects, then it is motor, and length is 26, and then it is 155 FAL, then price is 795 and 000, build year is 2011, seats is 6, and crew is 3. That's all. Enter the data, check the data entry for the error and then save the data and take a screenshot evidence showing the form completed with this new data. So print screen, or just one thing I'm going to do, design view, or first of all we'll click on save. I'm going to print screen and then just next record, close this one and just paste it here and then just crop. So our form with the data. Yeah. Now next step is to evaluate the design of your data entry form. So definitely the form that we have created, it need to be modified to look much better in the final preview, like something you can change to your table, sorry, your form to give a better look, like a proper heading and like some text field need to be changed to combo boxes so that it's easier for the user to select the different type of options from the combo box or from the list box, and as well as we can apply some kind of color formatting as well to our data entry form. So we're going to type this in our evidence document for evidence 8. So first thing that it should be consistent layout or formatting, and then after appropriate use of title, yeah, and then after lack of instructions on filling the form or filling in form, and then after we have no navigation buttons as well, and then after should contain descriptive labels, not just field names, and just correct this one, yeah, and then you can say that in appropriate space for data edit, unsuitable yeah, just correct it, yeah, unsuitable field lengths for this data, LVNG, yeah, lengths of data. So these are the things, you can add more also, but that is enough. And then after is import the file j22 builders j226 builder.csv. So we'll click on our database here, get external data text file, then browse and builders. First step to click on next, then first row contains field name next. Now check the field names if everything is accurately arranged here. Just cross check one more time. So that's it. Just click on next and then choose your primary key, and your primary key for this table will be your builder ID. So builder ID is already chosen, and then just click on finish. The table is imported. Now you can see here the table is available, and next step is to you just need to right click on the builder table or just click on open to see is there any price, anything, so that you can fix the currency. So it's all right. Now you need to create a relationship, and that is one-to-many relationship as a link between builder ID field in builder table and builder ID field in the yards table. So we'll click on database tools, relationship, add both the tables and builder ID with the builder ID here. Click on enforce referential integrity if it works. No, so just uncheck, click on OK. Now double click on the link to show the type of relationship as well. Now print screen and then just paste it here as your evidence 9, the print screen of your relationship. So it will be like this. So as they have mentioned even, so we are done with it. Now next step is to create a report using both the table yard and builder table. Whenever they ask you to build a report or produce a report, better to produce a query first so that there will be no problems later on. So just create a query. So from both the table they said, so builder, then yard, next, modify, and I'm going to name this query as I'm using step number 3 now. Sorry, 30, we'll just enter 30 here, modify. Now what I'm going to do is contain a new field called total births. So it should contain a new field which is calculated at runtime. This field will calculate the total number of births by adding sleeps plus crew. So we'll move to the end here and then we'll click here and just add a column. Click here and move to the builder. So this will be sleeps plus crew. So here we have sleeps and then plus crew. Click on OK and then add the name as they mentioned, total birth, save and run just to check total birth. Yeah, it is added here. And then after show only the records where build year was after 2010. So build year after 2010, so it means greater than 2010. So it is done. Yeah, so close or just we'll click on save and move to the next step is to, and the length is 40 or less. So we need to click on design view, length is less than or equal to 40. Save and run. So this is what we got here, only 35 records with this information. Then just close the query, follow the instruction to produce a report. Now field that you need to produce the query from, so create report and now choose the fields, yard name, builder name, so yard name, then builder name, and then we need type, length, then price. So type, length and price, and here is build year, build country, so build year and then build country, and then we need total birth in this order. So we'll choose total birth, next, no grouping of data, and then they mention here sort the data in ascending order of type and descending order of length. So ascending order of type, descending order of length. Next, and then we want this data to be landscape orientation as well. Next, and we want the label here at the top, yards less than 6 year old. So we'll just finish, and then we need to fix the report by clicking on layout view, just because we need to reduce some field sizes and some of them we need to increase to show our data clearly. So builder name, then price, and then build year, then build country, and here is total birth, just like that. And next step is to calculate the total average length position below the length column, format it to 1 decimal place. So click on the length column here, then right click total length, and then just click on average. So you will get the average here, and 1 decimal place they said on this. So I'm just going to reduce the decimals. One decimal, and then just click on save and view, or just go to design view. We'll click here, and then it is already the format 1 decimal place, you can see here. And then just click on normal view here, or you just need to increase this one. Yeah, the next step will be that to have a label called average length to the left of this number. So right click layout view, then just click on this number, and then right click set caption, and then just average length, and we'll reduce this one from this side, or just, yeah. And then the next step is to has your name, center number, candidate number at the top of the report. So right click design view, and get from here, from the design, a label, and then just put the label at the right top of the report, and then enter your details. And then this one must be right align, so it must be right align, so that not right align, but I just align them right. And then the next step is to save and print the report. You will do that, and then place in your evidence document screenshot showing the formula used in this average length. So we will enter the formula for this step, and we'll just click on report view here, or before that I'm just going to increase the size of the length here, and then we'll just print screen, and then we'll move to the evidence document, and we'll just paste it here as an evidence. And then we just format and crop it as well to remove this part, so that the formula is just visible clearly. I'm going to increase the size. This is what we have done here. So click on save and move forward to the next step. Here they said using field from both YART and builder table produce a report again. So we'll go to the database and close this report. Yeah, we need to print it only, and then we just need to click on create, and then we'll again produce a query from builder table and then from yards table. Then just click on next, and this time I'm in step number 31. Now what I need to do here is builder name, field name contains yard. When they say it contains yard, builder name, you need to put a star here, and then after you just need type here yard, and then star as well. Yeah, spelling of yacht is wrong here. Yeah, we just need to spell it properly, CHT, just like that. Click on run. So the builder name contains yacht, and then after they said the country is New Zealand or Australia. So design view and the country is New Zealand or Australia. Save and run. So this is what we have got. Now what we need to do is show only the fields. So from here we'll close this one and then we'll create by using a report wizard. So we need first of all yacht name, then we need builder name, type price, and then build country, then we need and services. Next and then we need to arrange the data into descending order of price. Price descending. Next, and with the portrait orientation this time, and then we should have this heading at the top, Oceania Yacht Builders here. Then just click on the finish and then right click and layout view to fix some part of the field as well here, like price need to be arranged. Yeah, then yard, this one yard, we need to make this one short. So to make this one bigger to display the name properly, then this one is okay. We can make this one shorter. This one we can also move towards the right and left, and this one will make it just like that. So still we have some data which is missing here. So in this case what I'm going to do is just move this one a little bit more towards right. Now the data is clearly visible. And now what we need to do, we should have our name center number at the bottom of the report. So design view, click on design, get a label, and just type your name, then your center number and candidate number. Click on save and then print preview. So your report is ready to be printed here. And that's all from the database part of this question paper. So hope you have learned how to deal with database, producing queries, reports and creating forms. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.